What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap Solana to USDC in Phantom Wallet. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you exactly swap Solana to USDC here? Well, this one is very simple. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Phantom Wallet, and we want to access a very specific setting here, which in this case is going to be the swap option. Now go ahead and click on the swap option here, and also, by the way, you can access it via the center of your screen or the swap icon I see at the bottom center of your screen. But once you click on it, what we need to do here is we just need to set up a few things. So first, since we want to basically convert our Solana to USDC, the UPay section should be set to Solana. So go ahead and click on the token here, search for Solana, and select it. Now, the you receive section should be set to USDC since we want to receive USDC. Let's go ahead and click on the token and just type in USDC here and click on it. Now from here, indicate the amount that you want to send. Like for example, we want to send like around 0.02. This is just an example, and you should be able to see the converted amount on how much you'll be receiving. Now from then on, at the very bottom, if you have enough funds to basically support the transaction, it should say swap or proceed or continue or next or something similar to that. Now from here on, just make sure that you have enough for the fees, the price here, just make sure that's correct. But once in here, what you need to do is just proceed with the transaction by clicking on the button that's available at the very bottom here, and from then on, just proceed or agree with the transaction or approve the transaction. Now in this case, that should actually convert your Solana to USDC. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.